Molweni, thank you for coming back. You know what it is. Let's get into this face beat. So we're going to start off with a primer. And the amount of primer that I apply on my face is basically the same amount that I apply when I'm using my moisturizer or even my serums as well. So just want to get that all into the skin and make sure that every area is covered. An extra step that I like to do is to use my setting spray as a primer as well. I'm going to apply this liquid illuminator. It gives this glow underneath my foundation, and you will see as I mix it all together. So I'm just applying the foundation on my face, and I'm just going to take my foundation brush and I'm just going to blend that all together. Sometimes I do find that the brush tends to leave some lines, so I'm just going in with the beauty blender just to make sure that everything is blended evenly. Now for concealer, we're going to conceal our Gucci bags, our Chanel bags. We want to make sure that our eyes are looking really good and we are not looking tired whatsoever. So what I do is I apply my concealer underneath the eyes. So as you can see, I'm putting it on the bridge of the nose as well. And I let that concealer sit underneath the eyes for maybe a good 5, I don't know if it's 10 minutes even, but I let it sit. So while I am leaving that concealer to dry, I focus on other areas. I'm contouring with a foundation stick. You do not have to go get a specific contour product. You can contour with your foundation, and that's what I love about makeup. It's that it's versatile, it's so easy to use, and you can use different products for different things. Now I've just taken a small brush and I'm just going to blend out that nose contour, and as you'll see later on, I'll also just start to blend out the contour on my face as well. Now I'm applying this liquid blush, and as you can see, the concealer is still sitting, so I'm just going to blend out that concealer. And also it also helps just to dim out that contour, because I did realize that I put a lot and it was looking quite dark. So when I blend my blush, I bring it upwards So now I'm going to blend my concealer. So I'm just setting my face just so that it's not too dried out. And when you are blending your concealer, you want to make sure that you are looking up and stretching out the skin underneath the eye so that it doesn't crease. So at this point of the makeup, things just went left because my sister came in and we were chatting, and there were some products that I didn't show, but here you can see I'm just applying some eyeshadow to my eyes, and now I am applying some blush. Unfortunately, the door also just stayed open the entire video. I didn't realize because my sister was busy in and out. So I'm just applying a highlighter, and now I am doing my eyebrows. Going in with some mascara, so I'm just applying some mascara because I didn't get time to do my lashes, unfortunately. Guys, Essence is still the brand that has one of the best mascaras, hands down. And what I love about Essence is it's affordable, so you can never go wrong with an Essence mascara product. Trust me on this. So the theme for the party that I'm attending is I think was it shades of nude, but it was natural neutral tones. So I just decided to do a nude lip because I was going to be wearing a brown dress. And I'm just setting the face. It is all done. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was all over the place, but this was the final look, and I tried to give you guys a sneak peek of my outfit. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video, which is tomorrow.